This strap should hold, but we need to lift it higher before we pull.
I've got the dolly ready on this side. Watch the fender on this side. Clear. Bring her up slow.
Look at the rust on the arches. The moss suggests it's been sitting a long time.
The floor pans are definitely rusted through. Look at the corrosion on this exhaust hanger. We'll need to replace the whole system.
Front left bearing has excessive play. Bushings are completely dry rotted, sending that to the client now.
Look at the state of this drum.
Yeah, we'll need photos of the scoring before we source new parts. This backing plate is completely shot.
Look at the grime coming off the pumpkin. Carrier. All right, give it a tap and let's lift it out. Now, push the shaft inward, exposing the C-clips right there. We'll crack the rear ones first, then the front.
Okay, but watch that left side, it looks rough.
Okay, clear.
Really brittle. Clips right here.
Grab the gauges. Let's check the gap on the quarter panel while we have access.
Okay, lift your side gently. Got it. Look at all that insulation falling apart.
Okay, lifting it now. Be careful of the edge.
Wow, look at the dust coming off that seal.
Ultra-realistic cinematic scene. Inside the workshop, mechanics remove the fixed rear quarter windows.
Make sure you get deep into those spot welds with the converter.
Yeah, it's reacting nicely right here.
He removes the fan shroud bolts. Rust flakes fall from the threads. The shroud is lifted out. Next,
The factory specs say 10 foot-pounds for these end bolts.
Right, but with the age, I'd back that off slicketly.
Did you measure the gap at the cowl?
The wear patterns here are significant.
Yeah, documenting the rust spots near the push rods now. All right, it's clear. Let's get this thing cleaned up.
Yeah, look at all that rust up there. We've got our work cut out for us.
Okay, alternator's off. Let's get that power steering pump next.
Careful, it's leaking into the pan.
Yeah, these bolts are really seized. Got the accelerator pin out. Hand me the ratchet. Okay, try to loosen the top bolt first. Pulling the box clear now. Watch the old gasket.
Okay, got it. The mounting measurements are slightly off the schematic.
Grinding this smooth now.
Looks good. Get the primer on before it oxidizes.
The distortion here is minimal, mostly just factory inconsistencies. Okay, I've marked the pits on the right side. We'll need to grind these down before treatment. Make sure that seam is perfectly smooth before we prime it.
Almost there. Just a little more on this edge.
The welds look perfect. No distortion at all. Agreed. Let's get this wiped down and hit it with the epoxy before lunch.
Check the seam right here, a lot of pitting.
Yeah, I see it. Make sure you mark that one yellow.
Check the alignment on that patch.
Looks good, right at 8 and gauge.
How's that fit the contour?
It's tight. Clamp it here and I'll tack the top edge first.
We've got some penetration here at the lower pinch weld.
All right, let's mark that and the dent on the driver's side.
That patch is smooth now, completely blended.
Good. Let's get this wiped down and ready for the epoxy primer.
Check the inner cavity again. See any structural issues?
No, just light scaling. I'll mark this spot for treatment. We need it tighter on the bottom.
It's flush now. Go ahead and tack it.
Looks like we have a 1/2 inch low spot right here.
Yeah, I'm showing 3 millimeters of deflection by the arch. Check the depth right here by the spot weld.
Yeah, that's definitely perforated. We should mark this corner too.
Right here near the A-pillar, we've got some pitting.
Got it. I'm marking the rust freckles now.
bring the light lower right there. See that ripple?
Got it. Needs a little more filler right in the center. Are we ready for the sealer coat?
Yes, the surface is perfect. Let's start with the roof.
Check the metallic alignment under the LED panel.
Looks consistent with the GM chip. The depth is perfect.
Confirmed. Let's prep the gun.
Check the adhesion uniformity around the door. No gaps or stretched sections.
The trunk gasket alignment looks good. Everything fits perfectly now.